Yeah, that's my boy with the Smurf hat. Hi. Yeah. Oh, you want it? Yeah, look at you go. Yeah. Oh, we're done with the hat, aren't we? Yeah. Nappy from bath time. He's still kind of wet. You want to put it back on? Yeah, you can put it back on. Try it. Hey, he did it! Good job! Good job! Can you say hi? Say hi, hi. No, I just want to touch Mama's hand. Oh, there was your hat. Oh, it's closed. I know, it's closed. I'll help you in a second. You find how it opens? There you go, kinda. Here, let me help. Oh, I can't do it either. Alright. I'll get it back on you. There you go. There you go. There! You look good, Red. You look good. You want to be able to put it on yourself? Yeah. Okay, bye-bye.